What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to video chat through Google Classroom. So first you need to head over to classroom.google.com's website, and after that if you are an admin, you need to select the class that you want to create the meeting for, and after that on the right side you can see this class settings. Click on that, and if you are the admin, scroll on a bit, and then here you will see to an option to generate a Google Meet meeting link. So click on generate, and then when the link is generated, just simply copy that link, and then you can just paste it here in the announcement section. As you can see, the announcement section has been opened. You can just simply paste this link by just right clicking and then clicking on paste, or you can use the shortcut Control plus V. And when you are done, simply click on post. And after that, if you want to invite the students, you can send this class code to all the students that you want to invite. And if you want to invite through the invite link, here is the invite link. You can just simply copy this invite link, and then you can just paste it to your students or members group that you want to add to this Google Classroom. And after that, when the students will log in with their account and then see the link in the announcement section, they can simply just click on that link and then join the meeting that you have created. So this is how you can turn on video chat through Google Classroom. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.